welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for 41 subscribers. You guys are just you're making my day. I'm so happy. We're trying to grow our channel. Yes. So if you're new on my channel, you can kindly subscribe, hit that red subscribe button and subscribe today, because on this channel we do share healthy lifestyle, how to stay healthy. Health is not by chance but by choice. We also do share a Christ-like lifestyle. Maybe you are trying to so hard to know God, you are trying so hard to do the will of God and you are failing. So all those things are on this channel. And if you're trying to have flawless skin without any toxic ingredients, we formulate natural hair products which can make your skin glow without compromising your health. And we also formulate different kinds of products, facial products, hair products. And if you want to grow your natural hair, your God-given beautiful crown, then this channel is for you. And if you are having a challenge, like your hair is breaking, you don't know what to do, all these things are on this channel. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So in today's video, we are going to talk about coconut oil. How to use coconut oil. Most of naturals have written out coconut oil because they think they are protein sensitive. Now, how true is that coconut oil contains protein? We'll find out more in this video. So coconut oil is one of my most beloved oil in my regiment. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I really love how it works. So I just want to show you how coconut oil looks like. So I do purchase okay, in fact, coconut oil doesn't miss. I don't run out of coconut oil. Yes, so during colder months it's very solid. Yes, but during summer it's liquid. I don't know if you are able to see that. Anyway, I will show you a close up on how it looks like. So that is how it looks like, because it is a liquid and it's summer. So now here are some scientific reasons to go out and purchase some coconut oil. So coconut oil penetrates into the cortex. Why should you care? This oil can help condition, moisturize, and strengthen your hair. Coconut oil reduces damage to hair cuticle during combing, especially wet combing that many naturals are fond of. Coconut oil reduces swelling of the hair shaft when the hair is immersed in water, protecting the hair from high growth fatigue. This is not to say that coconut oil is the only oil you should have, but if you are going to have just one, then this is the one. Now, how to use coconut oil and what alternative do you have if you don't if you don't like it or use it, or perhaps you don't just love it? Are there any alternatives to coconut oil? If you are simply looking after some penetrating oil, then sunflower oil and olive oil are thought to possibly penetrate. How to use coconut oil? So time is the key. The oil needs to penetrate. Most studies usually copy the overnight method. Some studies suggest applying the oil at least 14 hours before washing. You can also use it as a pre-shampoo or pre-wash treatment. It will later limit the amount of water entering the hair and stop the hair from swelling excessively. Anything better? There's no any other oil as yet which is documented to reduce protein loss to a significant effect. Now, is coconut oil Is coconut oil protein sensitive? So, Protein sensitive is the overreaction of hair when it comes into contact with proteins. It's normal for hair to become a little harder after using protein. But if it becomes dry and brittle, it is possible your hair is protein sensitive. Now, does coconut oil contain protein itself? It is composed of approximately 50% lauric acid, which helps restore and strengthen the protein structure of your hair. So it is perfect if you have damaged hair. Now, does coconut oil contains protein? So now, protein sensitivity. What is protein sensitivity? Protein sensitivity is the overreaction of hair when it comes into contact with proteins. It is normal for hair to become a little harder after using protein, but if it becomes dry and brittle, it is possible your hair is protein sensitive. Now, coconut oil does not contain protein itself. It is composed of approximately 50% lauric acid, which helps restore and strengthen the proteins structure of the hair. So it's perfect if you have damaged hair. If you find that your hair becomes hard after using it, check the ingredient listing of your condition to see if it contains any source of proteins like wheat protein, soy protein, keratin protein, and so many more. If so, it may be the ingredients of your conditioner and coconut oil are not compatible. It may be, your ingredient listing of your conditioner and coconut oil are not rest completely compatible. Yes. So like coconut oil will still remain in my regimen forever. So now because it penetrates the hair follicles, even on dry hair. So like I'm just dabbing a little like so, and just like apply it in my hair like so. So like only on my hair and on my body, but of course I don't apply coconut oil on my face. Yes, that's another topic for another day. Then one thing I have to inform you, perhaps you're new on my channel, like I'm in a challenge where I'm doing a 2 months challenge, which started on 1st September and it's ending on 1st November. So like I'll be using rice fermented water and onion juice. Yes, you can check other videos out which I have done. Yes, and so I'll be sharing what I'll be doing in my 2 months hair challenge. We are trying to grow our hair. We are trying to take our hair to another level. And you have to make sure that you embrace your natural hair. I love it, style it. That's your crown, God-given crown. Yes, thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.